Ka Deputy Commissioner DC Jongka East Khasias District kakong RM Kurba mentasi baar kalayatu bakidan kumba laispan ripusan ngut kibre gibawan naga jela Manipur banri shipor Shillong ba Shillong aka jiakran bakinong tok kubor kakong kurba kalayatu rubai kini kipetwer na Manipur lapet dikinong ilam niam bat kiwe kin huan treman sobha kalayatu ba ADC ke East Khasias baroni walang ulalo me gajingalang hadu laisen kentop kamadan rating police station haka jingdan lang kinang ilam Shillong bat kibre na po ka jela Manipur kibana kajat banri kuki kangtai bat meitai
migrants from Manipur that are stationed in Shillong. As you all know, there was an incident in Manipur during the month of May, and subsequently the three tribes, that is the Gangte, the Rieh, and the Zoo communities of the Kuki tribe, they have come to Shillong to take shelter. And at that point of time, they had been accommodated by the church, by their their association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community. Addressed to the police station, our police station, and thereafter it arrived in my office. And of course, I have with me my ADM who had conducted the inquiry and have met them personally, and I would request them to kindly say a few words.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasias District, myself together with a video of Maupant, the DYSP, in charge of the area, conducted 3 meetings. One at Madanruting Police Station in the presence of Shillong, the Senkanthei, the representatives of the Zao, the Vaipe and the Gangte, representing the Kuki tribe, who were present in the meeting that was held at Madanruting Police Station. The representatives of the 3 communities expressed gratitude to the Shillong of Madanruting and also to the police based at Madanruting Police Station for having provided protection to the migrants who had arrived in Shillong. The Senkanthei of Madanruting had also extended all possible assistance, particularly to women, the old and the infirm. In the meeting, the district administration assured all possible assistance to the migrant communities, and till date we are in constant touch with them, and therefore the numbers, as has been provided by Madam DC, has dwindled. Today the number stands at 77, and this is on the submission that has been made by the representatives of these 3 communities and the 2 church denominations, the CBA, the Chin Baptist Association, and also by the Evangelical Baptist Church Convention. The pastors of these 2 institutions have also submitted reports to us stating that there are no longer any migrants that live in the church institutions, and the 77 that we have right now are put up either in the relatives' place. Some have managed to get accommodation, rented accommodation, wherein the police through the SP East Khasias District has facilitated in providing the police report to the Shillong so that people who look for rented accommodation are given such accommodations. Then we also have students who have, some are already pursuing their studies in the various institutions of Shillong, and some are seeking admissions into the different institutes in Shillong. The district administration has facilitated in providing them information that is necessary, and has also requested the pastor in charge of CBA, the pastor in charge of EBCC, and the representatives of the 3 communities, if at all should there be any need for admissions, considering that we are already mid-year, we would do the needful from our end. However, they have been able to manage on their own, and none had come so far in as far as seeking admissions into different institutions are concerned. May I also point out that the Dorbar Shnong Lapalang, together with us, also conducted a meeting on the 20th of May 2023 at Chin Baptist Association building, wherein we had direct interactions with the migrant families and wherein we had assured them all possible assistance in addition to police protection. We like to place on record our sincere gratitude to the Dorbar Shnong Lapalang, which in the initial stage of the migration of these affected families into Shillong, particularly into Lapalang locality, had even provided them dry rations. On having interacted with them, we understood that most of them were looking forward to go back, and we are grateful to the SP of East Khasi Hills in having facilitated to ensure that there is safe passage of the migrants from Manipur who have resided in Shillong and who are willing to move back through a safe passage that was being provided by the SP in consultation with his colleagues in the other parts of Aizawl and also in Churachandpur in Manipur. Of those people who are still staying in Shillong, and most of them, or a great majority of them, are presently residing either in the relatives' apartments, the relatives' homes, their friends, and also their extended families. And a few of them have managed to get hostel accommodation since they are students pursuing their studies in different institutes in Shillong.
In the month of May, after the incident in Manipur, we have convened a meeting where Meitei and Cookies were all attended. And in fact, it was attended by our respected DGP sir and all the senior police officer. So where we convene and speak to both the communities that they should maintain peace as long as they are in Shillong, because they should not create any problems, no law and order in Shillong. Whatever they need, security, protection from us, we assure them all, and we have exchanged a number with all the leaders of both the communities. Then also, we in the place where they stay in Lapalang, we have ensured their security and safety along with Dorbar Shnong. We have sent patrol time to time from the police stations and also by the sector officer, which is this rank. So they really feel secure and nothing feel insecure while they were here. And we in fact always working together with the district administration, DCMM and all the district magistrate to ensure their security and safety as long as they are here.